so that the rest of us who are missing can see it later. Yes? Great. Okay. I want all of you to do what we do every day. I hope you have your notebook. Everybody's on mute, which is great. And sit comfortably. What we're going to do today is we'll do a regular phonics part. And then we'll do math, and then we'll do the feeling circle. 1 second. Yes. Okay. Great. Alina, can you come off mute and tell me what is the first rule that we have?
Silent time.
Silent hand. Lovely. Can you tag someone?
Sagar.
Sagar, go ahead. Sagar, are you there? Yeah, great. Second one.
We should mute the mute. We should unmute.
Yes, mute and unmute. Great. Sagar, quickly tag someone. We have just, I think, okay, Smriti is there. Smriti, go ahead.
We should put our answer in WhatsApp.
Yes, great. Everybody, you all forgot to send me the trackers for last week. Yes, we'll send the tracker today for last week. Okay, great. Did you make the new trackers, everybody? Great. Can you show me a thumbs up? I can't hear all of you. Okay, excellent, great. Okay, once more, I think all of us have to repeat. Alina, can you go for the first one?
Wait for your turn.
Yes, wait for your turn. Quickly tag someone, Alina.
Smriti.
Smriti, go ahead. The second one.
We should thumbs up and thumbs down.
Excellent. And the last one, Sagar, I can't see you. Yes. Baba, you're on mute. Can't hear.
Smiley face.
Yes, smiley face. Can you show me a smiley face, Sagar? Okay, great. Excellent. Everybody has done it correctly. Who wants to lead the class song for today? Smriti, Sagar, Alina, anybody? Okay, Sagar will lead us. Great, great. Sagar, everybody come off mute. We'll sing. Sagar will lead us. Sagar, give us a countdown, okay? 3, 2, 1, like I do.
I am a little star.
Wait, Sagar, count down first. 1, 2, 3, no? That everybody gets ready. Smriti, come off mute. Excellent. Go ahead, Sagar.
I am a little star shining in the dark. Just a little star.
Everybody sing, can't hear.
I am a little star. Shining in the dark.
Just
watch me reach my goal as I work hard to achieve
my goals as I work hard
to him.
Okay, great. This is the chaos that I like. Lovely. Okay. Everybody, before we start the class, we have someone with us, okay? I would request ma'am to turn on her video so everybody can see. I will stop sharing my screen. Sneha ma'am?
Yes, hi everyone. I'm so sorry.
Hello.
I turn on my video. My internet connection's not very good. Hi, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Alina.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, Sagar.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, Nanu.
How are you?
I am good, Sagar. Okay, listen, everybody. I have a news for you. Okay. Aishwarya ma'am is going to send you all things to write on. So she's going to send you worksheets. Okay, today. Now I know that Alina and Sagar live far away from the school, so they might not be able to come. But Smriti, I will be in school sometime around 12:30, 1 o'clock. Okay. So what I would like you to do is try to call as many friends as you can. Call Gangotri, call Madhu, call many friends, okay? And tell them that I'll be at school at that time. What I will do is, from now, Aishwarya ma'am lives far away, no? But she wants you all to learn all the time, okay? So she has sent you all some stories, some math sums, some things to read, okay? Which is going to be really, really fun. So my work will be to come and give that to you. And your work will be to tell your friends to come to school at 1 o'clock so that they can take it. Okay? Yes? Are the instructions clear, babies? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Brilliant. Thank you. I'm just going to watch your class, okay? Act as if Sneha ma'am is not here, okay? Have fun.
Okay, thank you so much, Neha ma'am. Great. I will be calling the rest of the people after class. I did call a few of them yesterday, so I think I haven't told them the timing. I'll call them and tell the timing. Okay, great. Okay, I will start sharing my screen again to contain the excitement that we all have built because we get to meet Neha ma'am and then we did the class song also. I want all of you, Sagar, can you please turn on your video so I can see you? Yeah, great. I want everybody to put your phone a little far from you and sit comfortably somewhere where I can see you. And close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. I want you to think of 4 things that you like eating. Any 4 things. It could be ice cream, it could be absolutely anything. Think of the taste of those food items that you like. Take another deep breath in and breathe out. Rub both your palms against each other and put them on your eyes. And when you're ready, come back to the space so we can get started. Yes, great. Okay, let's move to the next part. Can Smriti read the first one for me? This one. This one.
Critical thinking. Critical thinking means if we think and we also think, why is this? What is this?
Lovely, great. Can Alina read this one for me?
Teamwork, ma'am.
Teamwork. Yes.
Teamwork means we should do all the things together.
Yes. Great. Sagar, the last one.
Hard work.
Yes. What is hard work, Sagar?
Thinking and saying.
Nice. Great. Okay. Everybody, we'll start with the first part. Elephant ears out. I want to see all of you doing this. Come on, everybody, show me your elephant ears. Great. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we start with the sight words. Yes. I want all of you to take out your notebooks and pencils. I'll give you 5 seconds to get ready. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. ZERO. I hope you're ready, everybody. If you're ready, give me a thumbs up. Great. Okay, thank you, Smriti. I can't see Sagar. Alina, I think you're ready. Can you give me a thumbs up if you're ready? Okay, great. I'll start, okay? The first word that we're going to see and learn today is clean. 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 Once you're done writing it, give me a thumbs up. Clean. Okay, thank you. The second one is learn. Learn. Excellent. Alina, can you come off mute and tell me what the third word is? This we have done before. This is a revision.
About.
About. Yes, great. Can you repeat again?
About.
Lovely. Great. Everybody write down about. Alina, take your time, write down. Thank you, Smriti. Thank you, Sagar. The next one is myself. Myself. Sagar, have you finished writing? Myself.
Finish.
And okay, thank you, Sagar. And the last one is full. 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 Okay, I think everybody is done. Great. Can Smriti come off mute and read out the first word for me?
Clean.
Clean. Alina, the second one.
Learn.
Learn. Sagar, are you there? I can't see you. Hi, Sagar. Can you read the third word for me?
About.
Yes. Alina, again this one.
Myself.
And the last one, Smriti, can you read?
Full.
Great. Okay. Now I want everybody to come off mute. The sound that we are going to learn today is onk. Everybody come off mute and say onk.
Onk.
Onk. Smriti,
Onk.
Sagar, waiting for the two of you.
Onk. Onk.
Great. Great. Lovely. Now everybody stretch your big blending hands and show me what you're going to do now. We'll do first blending and then we'll do stretching. Yes? Excellent. Sagar, where did you go? I can't see you. Okay. Yes, Sagar is also back. Great. So the first sound that for today that you're going to blend. Okay, blending hands out. The first sound is pluck, onk. Pluck, onk.
Onk.
What's the word?
Plonk.
Plonk. Yes, great. Plonk is the first word. The second sound is and onk.
Onk.
And onk.
Wrong. Onk. And onk. Wonk.
Wonk. Yes, great. Sagar, we're doing the third one. The third one is cluck and onk. Cluck,
Onk.
cluck, onk. Cluck, onk. Cluck,
Long.
onk. Yes, long. Excellent. Great. Everybody will now stretch, okay? 3 words for stretching. The first word is monk. Monk.
Onk. Monk. Monk.
Great. Excellent. Sagar, what is that you're playing with? Okay, something fell. Okay, don't worry. Don't hit yourself. The second word is honk. Honk.
Onk. Onk.
Honk. Yes, honk. And the third one is bonk.
Onk. Onk.
Not the, not the.
Onk. Bonk.
Yes.
Bonk.
Excellent. Excellent. Everybody, great. Now we are going to decode and read. Yes, we'll have 5 words to read first, then we'll try to read. 1 second. Yes, and then we'll do the spelling part. Okay. So, can Smriti come off and try and read the first word? This one. Try to break it into 2 and then read it.
Z.
Yes.
Z. Do. No. Onk.
Oh, yes, great. Put it together.
Z. Dong.
Yes, the dog. Correct. Okay, this is not a word. You should be like, it's not a word, but it's the sound that we are going to try and decode together. Yes. Can Sagar now read the second one? This one. Break it and read it.
Trunk.
Yes. Can you spell strong for me, Sagar?
Wrong.
Lovely. Yes, we did ablen. No, we did sound. Yes. So this is onk. Yes. Can Smriti? Can Alina now read this one? This third one.
Onk. Crunk.
Stretch it for me.
Onk. Trunk.
Lovely. Can Sagar again read the last one?
Long, long.
Yes, excellent. Great, great, great. Okay, now everybody take out your notebook and we'll try to write down 3 spellings. It's very, very easy. Today's RF is very easy. These are the sounds, the words that we also did stretching and learning. Yes, 3 of them. The first one is monk. Very easy. I want you all to finish in 5 seconds. Monk, monk. 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 The second word is honk. Can you give me a thumbs up when you're done, like for each word?
Honk, ma'am.
Honk. Yes, honk. Thank you, Smriti. Thank you, Alina. Thank you, Sagar. The last one is bonk. Bonk.
The
Yeah.
third one, ma'am.
Bonk. Okay, great. Now that we're done with that part, we begin with the RC lesson. Okay. This is what we're going to do today. Yes. Identify the character feelings and make connections with one's own prior experience. Yes. Okay, these are the new words that we see. Identify, character feelings, connections, and experience. Yes. Can Smriti tell me what is the meaning of identify?
Look and find.
Look and find. Excellent. Can Alina tell me what is a character? What's a character?
Character means person. And
Yes. It could be person, animal, anything that is in the story. Yes. Sagar, can you tell me what is feeling?
Ma'am, feeling means we will be sad, we will be happy. No, ma'am, that's feeling.
Like we do feeling circle, no? That way. Yes. Great. Okay. Can Alina again tell me what is connection? What is the meaning of connection?
connection means one thing to other thing. Connection, ma'am. That is mean connection, ma'am.
You make connections from one thing to another. Great. So we have to make connections with one's or our own prior experience. Can Smriti try what is the meaning of experience?
Experience means if we go to anywhere and if we ride there or we experience something.
Yes, excellent. That's a very, very correct way to explain it. So experience is something that happens to you. Yes, anything that has happened to us in the past. Okay, great. Okay, I want all of you to feel so the awesome words. What do we do when we see awesome words in the story? Jazz hands. Yes, we do jazz hands when we see the awesome words. Great. Okay, so these are the 4 words that we will learn today. Yes, the first one is cocoon. The second one is migration. The third one is nectar, and the fourth one is bumpy. I'll give you some time to write down the meanings for all of them. First, listen carefully. Yes, the first one, cocoon. Cocoon is the case in which caterpillars live. Okay, so you know that caterpillars become butterflies. No, so the cocoon is the case that the caterpillar builds around itself. Yes, that's a cocoon. What is migration? So have you seen that during the winters there are a lot of birds coming? Have you seen that? You've seen. So the birds migrate or go from one place to another. So where the birds live, no, it's very cold. So they come down to India so that they can live in a relatively warm place. Yes. So migration is the seasonal movement of animals from one place to another. Yes. Next is nectar. Nectar is a sugary fluid from flowers. seen those flowers in which there's little sticky thing that smells very nice that comes out from the center of the flower? Yes? If you have ever seen it, give me a thumbs up or like a thumbs down, ma'am. I don't know what you're talking. Okay, you've not seen it. That's okay. See, Alina's seen it. Alina, if you want to come off mute and share with us, when did you see it?
Ma'am, I see it in garden, ma'am.
Garden, yes. Okay, we'll try next time when I come. No, we'll try to go to a garden and see nectar. Yes, great. And the last one is bumpy. Bumpy is when I'm sitting and I'm doing this. No, so these are sudden jerks that I'm not prepared for. So that is bumpy. Okay, everybody, thumbs up. On a scale of fish to 5, how much do you understand of these new words that we have learned? Fish meaning, ma'am, I thought we were learning Sanskrit. And 5 meaning, oh ma'am, now I know, I'll be able to write in the worksheet. Yes, great. Sagar, waiting for your fish to 5, any number quickly. Okay, Sagar is also on a 5. Great, excellent. Now we'll start today's story, okay? So this story that we're going to do today is a butterfly smile. So we know that this part is the title, yes? And the author is the person here. Alright, I'll just share the whole screen. Just give me 1 second. Yes, 1 second. Sorry for the inconvenience. Yes. Okay, now we'll be able to see better. Yes, so this is the title of the story, A Butterfly Smile, and the author is Malhangi Subramaniam. Yes? Okay, I'll clear the drawings and let's move to the next one. Yes, can Alina come off mute and can you see my screen properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Alina, can you read this page for me?
Line up the class. Let's go to the park. Lina,
Leila.
Miss said. All the students hold hands, chattering all the way. Kavya stand by herself. As they start walking, Leila, Miss
Leila.
Miss
Yes, okay, great.
Leila, Mrs. Does everyone know what the caterpillar becomes when it grows up? Kavya's stomach felt. She flipped. She know the answer. Should they say something?
Okay, thank you so much, Alina. Line up, class. Let's go to the park. Leila said. All the students hold hands, chattering away. Chattering means talking. Okay, they were talking to each other. Kavya stands by herself. As they start walking, Leila asks, does anyone know what a caterpillar becomes when it grows up? Kavya's stomach flipped. She knows the answer. Should she say something? 1 second, why can I not? Okay. Smriti, can we read the second page for me, please? You're on mute, Smriti, can't you?
Kavya and her family have just moved to Bangalore from her village. They live at the construction site where her parents work. It's hard living in a half-finished house. The air smells of smoke and the The honking traffic makes it hard to sleep. The towering
Towering, yes.
buildings, zooming cars, and busy people make her feel very, very small.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Kriti. So, Kavya has just moved to Bangalore with her family. Yes, she came from a village and she's living at the construction site where her parents are working. Yes. Can Sagar now read this page for me?
Kavya has been coming to school for a week. She still hasn't spoken to anyone. What if they make fun of her, hasn't or tease her because she never been to school before? Kavya takes a deep breath and races around noisy city like Bengaluru. She can't be quiet forever.
Excellent. Sagar, can you also read this page for me?
Yes, ma'am. When caterpillars grow up, they become butterflies. Kavya says. That right, Lali Miss says. Caterpillars.
Leila. Can you say Leila, Sagar?
Leila
Leila,
Miss
Miss.
says.
Yes.
Caterpillar are only caterpillars for a few weeks. Kavya says they spend that whole time eating leaves. They must get very big, says Mary. Our classmate, they do. After they eat and eat and eat, caterpillars weave cocoons the sides of
Nobody
plants.
did jazz. Okay, thank you. Alina's done their jazz and we did cocoons, no?
Yes. Inside where they grow and change, says Kavya.
Okay. So Kavya has just come to Bangalore, no? And she's joined school 1 week before. And she has not spoken to anyone. She has no friends. Okay, she's very lonely. But she answers the question and she tells the teacher that she knows that when caterpillars grow up, they become butterflies. Yes. And she says that caterpillars eat leaves and they eat and they build a cocoon on the sides of plants. Yes? Okay, great. Can Alina now read the next page for me?
That's correct. Lina.
Leila.
Miss said they stand in the cocoon.
Okay.
They stand in the cocoon for about 2 weeks. When they come out, they are butterflies. Look, we read and the park. Mary said. Kavya
Gas.
the park and covered in butterfly.
Excellent. So Leila Miss tells Kavya that she is correct and the butterflies live in the cocoons for 2 weeks. Sorry, the caterpillars live in the cocoons for 2 weeks and then they become butterflies. Yes? And they're at the park, no? They have come to the park. See so many butterflies. Yes? Okay. Can Smriti now read the next part for me?
Blue butterflies, the color of rivers, yellow.
I'm so sorry, there's some glitch here. Give me 1 second. I'm not sure why this is happening. 1 second, there's some glitch that you can't, I can't figure it out. Just 1 second. Okay, I think I have to share it. Yes, Smriti, go ahead. I'll correct you, okay? I'll correct you here. Don't worry.
Yellow,
Smriti,
Ma'am,
yellow butterflies. The
yes, Sagar, you can go. Color of
what is
sunlight. I'm so sorry. There's some glitch. I was trying to correct it, but it's an image, so I can't change it.
color
Yellow
of
butterflies, the color of sunlight.
orange butterflies? The color of ripe
Right?
chicus. Ripe chicus. Black and white butterflies, the color of starry skies. These are all the colors Kavya missed from her village. She feels her heart flutter.
Flutter. Flutter.
Flutter.
Yes. Flutter means to flap like this. Yes. So Kavya is telling you all that she can see so many colorful butterflies. She can see blue butterflies, yellow butterflies, orange butterflies, black and white butterflies, and these are all the colors that she misses from her village. Yes. Now, can Sagar? I'm not sure Sagar is there. Okay, Sagar, if you're there, can you read this one for me?
blue butterflies, the color. Every year, butterflies travel thousands of kilometers to come to this park. They are for more food, better weather, and safe place to lay eggs.
Leila.
Miss says this journey is called migration.
Migration. We saw migration. I can't see all of you, but I'm hoping you're doing the jazz hands, everybody. Yes, we do. Okay, can Smriti tell me what is the meaning of migration, Smriti? Smriti? Okay, I think Sagar got dropped off. 1 second. Yes, Smriti, go ahead. What is the meaning of migration? We learned, no, this new word.
Travel.
Yes, travel. When animals travel from one place to another, we call it migration. Yes. Okay. So these are the questions that we have to think about. Yes, and this is what you'll write down in your notebook also. Okay, not right now. I'm going to show you how to answer it first. Yes. Okay, Sagar. Okay, excellent. So the first word, we know that there are a lot of characters. Who are the two characters? Can you tell me? Alina? Yes, Priti, go ahead.
Leila ma'am and Kavya.
Yes, so Leila ma'am and Kavya are two characters. Yes, so here I have written the character as Kavya. So next time when you write, you will also write Leila ma'am. We'll try that also. Yes. So the character in the story is Kavya. What is the character feeling? Kavya is feeling shy and scared. She hasn't spoken to anyone. Yes. We know that Kavya did not have friends, and this is the first time she's talking to her teacher after she has come to school, like for 1 week. Okay. And when have I seen this in my life? I have written that I was also feeling scared when I first went to school. Yes. And what does that tell me about the character? I know that because on my first day, I was feeling very out of place and I wanted to make new friends. Leila also is feeling out of place and she also wants to make new friends. Yes? Can Ritti or Alina, one of you, I can't see Sagar, I think Sagar's got, okay, no, Sagar's here. Sagar, can you tell me that for Leila ma'am, what do you think Leila ma'am is feeling? Let's try for Leila ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, Sagar, can you tell me? So we did one character. No, we know that there were two characters, Kavya and Leila.
who is the character in the story?
Yes, that is, I've written the character in the story is Leila ma'am. What
Leila.
is the character feeling? How do you think Leila ma'am?
Character feeling Sad, ma'am.
Why is Leila ma'am sad, do you think, Sagar?
Leila, everyone teasing ma'am, Leila ma'am.
Yes, Leila ma'am is teaching everybody. Then why is Leila ma'am sad? Or is Leila ma'am happy? Or I'm not sure. Okay, go Smriti. You want to try? Go ahead.
Ma'am, Kavya is sad because her friends tease her.
Yes. Okay, this is excellent. We have one new idea. We'll write for Kavya once more. Kavya is sad because her friends tease her. Okay, great. Smriti, can you also tell me, have you ever seen this in your life? Have you ever felt like this in your life?
Yes, ma'am. In that one school in my village, I was so scared every day because in there they could beat me with a bamboo stick. So,
What? That is when did that happen?
ma'am, when I was small and I didn't came here, so I could study in my village, no. So they could beat me.
Because my friends would bully me. Yes. So Smriti, a better word for that is bully. Bully means when somebody who acts more powerful than you tries to hit you or tries to, say mean things to you. That is bully. You should never bully anybody else. Yes, that is a bad thing. They were bad people. Okay. Excellent. Smriti, can you also tell me that what does your feeling tell you about how Kavya is feeling? You know that Kavya was sad because her friends used to tease her. You were sad because your friends used to bully you. How do you feel Kavya is feeling? Does this tell you about Kavya?
Ma'am, my friends also bully me and Kavya also. So, connection.
Yes, you can make connection. What connection can you make? Excellent. Smriti. You're ekdam on the correct line. Can you tell me what connection are you making?
With my life and Kavya.
Yes, with your life and Kavya's life. So, how is Kavya feeling?
Sad.
Sad. Because you were also feeling sad and scared. Okay, great. So this is an example. Smriti, thank you so much for being such a great student. I want to do, all of us will do a round of applause for Smriti because she wrote all the answers by herself. She had different perspectives. Yes? Can anyone else now think for Leila Miss also? Or actually, you know what? Let's read the whole story and then we can start all over again. Yes? I'm so sorry. There is some issue. My phone, my screen is not getting shared. Okay, let's try again. Can you see my screen? I'm so sorry, babies. Can you see my screen? Can you show me a thumbs up if you can see my screen? Okay, thank you. Now let's read ahead. Yes. Sagar, can you read this for me? Sagar. Yes.
Yes,
Read this. Can you read this?
Don't they get tired flapping their wings for so long? A classmate asks if there is a strong wind. They don't have to flap their wings. Kavya says they spread their wings and glide. That
Glide.
must be bumpy. Mary whispers to Kavya.
Bumpy. Yes, I saw Smriti doing jazz hands. Thank you, everybody. We'll try and be more attentive next time. Great. So bumpy. Yes. So the other students are thinking that, oh my God, the butterflies are flying from such a big distance and they will come here. Don't they get tired by flapping their wings? Flapping is just doing this. Have you seen how butterflies do it like this? Yes. So that is flapping. So the other kids are asking Kavya, and Kavya is telling them that if it is a very strong wind, very fast wind, they don't have to flap their wings. They just spread their wings and glide. And that must be bumpy. What is the meaning of bumpy? Does anybody remember? Yes, Smriti, go ahead.
Sudden jerk.
Yes, sudden jerks. Excellent. I love how she's remembered the exact word. Can Alina now go for the next part?
Kavya thinks about the bus ride to Bangalore.
Squeezed.
In below all.
This is in between.
In between all the luggage. Bumping
And tumbling.
For her.
Hours and hours and hours.
Is that now?
How? That is
How a butterfly feel on the wing.
Yes. So Kavya is saying, okay, what is Kavya doing here? I know that you might not be able to answer this, but I still want to try. What is Kavya doing here? Kavya is thinking about the butterfly and she's thinking about her bus ride to Bangalore. Can you tell me what Kavya is doing here? Anybody? Any first thought? Yes, Smriti, go ahead.
Connection.
Yes, Smriti is on fire. Kavya is making connections. Yes, Kavya is thinking about the butterfly and how bumpy her migration must be, and she's thinking about how when she came to Bangalore on the bus ride, it was also very bumpy. Yes, excellent, Smriti. Great. Can you start reading the next part now, Smriti?
When butterflies migrate, they follow rivers to stay healthy. They stop along the river bank to soak up
Minerals. Yes, minerals.
With their feet, it's called mud pudding.
Puddling. There's L also, no? Mud puddling.
Leila Miss says mud puddling. Mary says that sounds like fun. Mary and Kavya smile at each other. It is Kavya says, but now puddles are hard to find. In Kavya's village, men in trucks take sand away from the river. The weather gets hotter and hotter. There is less and less rain.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Smriti. So, Leila Miss is telling everybody that when butterflies migrate, they follow rivers. Yes? Why do they follow rivers? They want to stay healthy. No, otherwise they keep flying and they'll get tired and they'll fall down, they'll die. No. So they don't want to do that. So they follow rivers. You know that river doesn't flow in a straight line, no? Can Alina tell me how does the river flow?
A glass line, ma'am.
Yes, like this. It doesn't have a very definite pattern. Yes, that's how a river flows. So she's saying that they follow rivers and they stop along the river bank to soak up minerals. Minerals, what are minerals? Does anybody know what are minerals? Yes, Sagar, do you want to tell me what are minerals?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So minerals are like the nutrients that we need in our body. Yes, we know that we eat fat, we eat protein, we eat all of that things. No, we eat salt. No. Okay, can everybody please mute yourself because there's a little disturbance. Okay, thank you so much. So we know that we eat salt. No, just like salt, it has minerals. Minerals is something that our bodies need. Not just ours, all animals need. Yes, they are good for us. So they soak up minerals with their feet. It's called mud puddling. Mud puddling, Mary says. That sounds like fun. So we have one new character, yes? We had Kavya, we had Leila Miss, and now we have Mary. Yes, now we have Mary. So Mary and Kavya, they smile at each other and they say that yes, mud puddling, and Kavya also says that in Kavya's village, men in trucks take away the sand from the river and the weather gets hotter and hotter and the rain gets less and less. Yes, can you see the butterflies here in the sand? Okay, let's move ahead. Can Sagar now read this one for me?
What, ma'am?
Can you read, Sagar?
Last year, the river went dry. The butterflies didn't have enough water to run puddle.
Mud puddle.
Kavya's family did not have enough water to farm. That why moved to Bengaluru.
Yes, so Kavya is saying that last year the river was so dry that the butterflies didn't have mud to actually go and absorb the nutrients. And there was no rain, there was not enough water for Kavya's family to do farming. That is why Kavya's family had to move to Bangalore. So she's telling us that she has come to Bangalore because there was no rain, so they had no farming. Okay, can Smriti read this one again?
You know a lot about butterflies. Kavya says, Leila Miss, that's because they are my favorite insects, says Kavya. Why do you love butterflies so much, Kavya? As Mary, how can Kavya choose just one thing? She loves how their body are sometimes spotted and sometimes
Striped.
how they drink nectar with
Yes, nectar, everybody, nectar. Yes.
with their long noses, how they spread pollen, which makes more flowers grow.
Okay. So Kavya, Leila Miss is saying that Kavya, you know so much about butterflies. And she tells Leila Miss that that's because my favorite insects are butterflies. Then her friend Mary asks her, how do you know so much? Why do you love butterflies so much? And then she says that, oh my God, there is so many things that I know about the butterflies and I love about them. How can I choose one? So she says that she loves how their bodies are sometimes spotted and sometimes striped. How they drink nectar with their long noses. How they spread pollen, which makes more flowers grow. Pollen are seeds, okay? Flower seeds, the butterflies, when they sit on the flower to drink the nectar, no. So pollen seeds, the seeds of the flower get stuck on their feet. Yes? And then when they go somewhere else, they drop the seeds there and then new flowers grow. Yes? Great. Let's move to the next one. So this is everybody is all happy and everybody's enjoying and playing with butterflies. Can you see? This is Leila Miss. Yes? This is Kavya. This is her friend Mary, and these are other children in the class. Yes? Can Alina now read this one for me?
They flight fast, but they land, they make new friends. Kavya said,
Squeezing Mary's hand.
They're very small butterflies, also very brave, just like you, Leila Miss said. Kavya smiles and smiles as a butterfly wing.
They fly very far, but wherever they land, they make new friends. Kavya is saying, squeezing Mary's hand. So Kavya is also making connections once again. She's saying that, look, butterflies also fly very far, but they make friends, no? That's how Kavya has also come to a new place and she has made her friend Mary. Squeezing means putting your hand like this, yes? Squeezing your hand. And they're very small, but they're also very brave, yes? And Leila Miss is saying, just like you, Kavya. And Kavya smiles a smile as big as a butterfly wing. She's smiling very loudly, okay? Okay, now let's all try and fill out the next part. Now we know, can somebody tell me how many characters are there in the story now?
3 characters.
3. Which are the 3 characters? Yes, Sagar, can you tell me which are the 3 characters?
Lali,
Leila,
Mary,
Mary and Kavya.
Yeah.
Excellent, great. So this is what you're going to do. These are the 2 worksheets, okay, that I will just stop sharing my screen and send to you on WhatsApp. Before that, let's just discuss a few more points for Leila Miss and Mary. Can someone tell me that what is Mary feeling? Anyone? Yes, go ahead, Alina.
Mary feels fun and happy, ma'am.
Mary feels fun and happy. When have you seen this in your life? Has this ever happened to you? Something similar? Alina?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to make connections, no? So, has this ever happened to you that you made a new friend or something like that? Yes, Smriti, would you want to go?
Ma'am, I'm in the class. I made friends, so I feel fun, and I play with my friend Prisha. And
Yes, lovely. So we know that Smriti made friends with Prisha, yes, and she made new friends in class and they had fun. Just like Mary and Kavya, yes. And what does this tell you about Mary? What is the character? What do you feel that the character must be feeling like you were feeling? Make connections and tell me.
Kavya is also feeling happy because
Kavya, no, we are writing Mary. We are writing for Mary.
Mary is feeling happy. Friends.
Because you also felt happy. Yes? Great. Can someone try for Leila Miss? Everybody's told me about Mary and about Kavya, but nobody shared about Leila Miss. How is Leila Miss feeling? Anybody can try. Sagar, do you want to try how Leila Miss is feeling? Sagar, you don't understand or do you not know what to say?
ma'am, I understand, ma'am.
Okay, you showed me a thumbs down, no? So I thought you don't know. Okay.
I don't know of Lily, ma'am.
Okay, don't know of Leila, ma'am. Okay. Alina, do you want to share? We'll take both of your answers, don't worry. Yes, Alina.
Leila Miss feels happy, ma'am.
Okay, but everybody's feeling happy. Can you give me a more another emotion except for happy? If you were Leila Miss, how would you feel? Okay, Smriti, do you want to try?
The Leila Miss is proud because their kids are so small, but also they know about butterflies.
Excellent answer. Excellent answer. Lovely. She's saying that Leila Miss is feeling proud because the kids are small, but they still know about butterflies and so many big things. Yes? Has this ever happened to you, Alina or Sagar or Smriti? Have you ever felt proud of somebody? Even if it hasn't, that's okay. You can write down that never happened to me. That's okay. That's okay. I will now stop sharing my screen, okay? And I'm going to send the worksheet to you on WhatsApp now. I'll send it on the homework group. Just a second. I will also pause recording. You will take some time.